Peak. Okay, Tare Zameen Pe.
Tare Zameen Par.
Alright.
10.
10. Here's this.
He's the one.
Totally यहाँ पे.
Altogether 10 है, right? So what are the other 2 levels? We spoke of 12 levels, right? Certification. What are the remaining 2 levels?
You can actually check it.
Motivation and skill.
Absolutely.
Which is it's very slow now. It's very slow. One which I remember is motivation and skill, which is not mentioned here.
How to speak English? No, my
Motivate
question
yourself.
was motivate yourself, right?
Yeah, it's
Out of
time.
those 12 levels, 10 levels are based on movie clips.
Yeah.
The remaining 2 levels,
Motivate yourself and bedtime story and story
motivate
time.
yourself through inspirational stories.
Yeah.
So we have collected stories of different famous personalities who are famous today and who are proficient in English, but who struggle with the language.
Right.
So this adds on to the flavor of the, motivation and inspiring your learners to come up. Seeing that, okay, fine, there was once upon a time. Simple example, Kangana Ranaut. Everyone knows Kangana Ranaut,
Yes.
right? The actress. Yes. जब मुंबई आए थे, English.
Small village.
Yes, she was from a small town in Himachal Pradesh, and she didn't know a word in English. But Hindi, Bollywood, English की क्या जरूरत है? Hindi. But then she tells you, yes.
Ma'am, when I went to Dubai for the first time, all I understood was 3 words.
Okay.
Thank you, no smoking and go. Right, these were the 3 words which I understood.
All
But
right.
then again, we got into, and thankfully I had all the teachers from the south. Okay, then we had that of English. Like there
Okay.
was, we have to always like you have to keep
Immersion
you have to English will go.
अपनी immersion हो गया.
Absolutely.
Yes. So we have to, and then we
And
have,
that is very important.
right.
See, most of us we tend to, hand कि चलो हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं हिंदी में, सब कुछ पढ़ाते हैं हिंदी में. But where will they get that environment in English? Right? That is one of the major problems that we face. But that gets solved with this. We are giving them immersive activities also, which I will be talking about in a while. Alright, so this is the pre-intermediate certification, that is certification 3. Again, you can see that there are 10 movies over here. Focus on the movie titles over here. And how many have you watched? Yes? How many have you watched?
English movie देखा है किसी ने देखा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कितने किस देखा है सर आपने?
So many things.
Awesome movie.
क्या है?
Yes?
What is the
Amazing.
What's the movie about?
A lady tries to learn, and then the husband is not supportive.
She was
but somehow
trying
she
to
finds
find
her way
out
out, and
herself.
then she learns
Like
it.
she knows everything. She knows what is English and what is, but she was trying to, like she was at the
Not
backward because of the
Yeah, she
family
was
pressure and all
trying-
this.
yes.
She find out herself.
Okay.
She
good.
find out the confidence.
Also enrolls herself.
Yes, she enrolls herself in this year.
And what is important over there? You find people from different
Different
countries.
countries is
The
also
only
there.
language that everyone can speak on, the common ground over here
Is
would be
English.
English.
Yeah.
So there was no other option but to start speaking English, right? This is a common thing that we tell even every Indian knows this. You put the child in the swimming pool, the child will start learning how to swim. That is how they learn. It's only when you start sinking that you learn how to swim. So the same thing, when you actually need, that is when you will start picking up the language, right? Okay, so again, if you, as I was mentioning, pre-intermediate. In the pre-intermediate, if you look at the pre-intermediate, in the pre-intermediate, look at the list of the 10 movies over here. Can you notice something different from the previous certification? Previous certifications, right? We had seen the movie titles were all in Hindi, plain Hindi, right? Here we have something called as Wake Up Sid, English to English, Sing. Yes? Are these all Hindi words or English words?
Wake up is
Wake up is an English word.
English.
So there's a slow transition.
yes.
Okay? We're slowly coming from the Hindi movies. We're stepping into titles which are in English. And there is a slow transition as you go through the certifications and different levels. You will see that the transition is happening very, very slowly. Something that the learners do not realize. But it happens. Okay? So it starts off with slight English in the intermediate level. Okay? Pre-intermediate certification. Fine. Can we go to the next one? From pre-intermediate, we go to intermediate. Now, have a look at the list of the movies.
Wow.
Have you watched it?
Escape plan. Great stage.
How many of you all watch English movies?
And I watched all the movies.
You watched all of these?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Anyone?
Spider-Man.
Mission Impossible, Spider-Man, okay.
Spider-Man.
Okay, which
Men in Black.
Men in
Men in Black.
Men in
Which-
Black, Tangled.
which is the principle that we were talking about is in play here? We were talking about some 5-6 principles, right?
All in English?
That's right.
What transition?
What
The transition.
We're talking about
familiar
familiar to
Semi-English and then full
Very
English.
good. Yes.
We're
We're
shifting
moving
gears.
slowly from, yes, we're moving from the regional language over here, which is Hindi, to English. Moving from the familiar world to the unfamiliar world. And if you notice, all of these movies, these are English movies. These are English movies which are dubbed
Dubbed
into
in
Hindi.
Hindi.
Okay, so if you go to the platform and if you start looking at this certification 4, it is English movies dubbed in Hindi. So Hindi dialogues again which are spoken in an English background. They are again
So
transliterated, which is wrong.
trying to
And
create
then
the
the correct
environment, like
translation.
they can see the environment, the
Yes,
kind of impact
absolutely.
they will get it.
This also brings in an element of culture. They are exposed to different cultures right now. Okay? And then we go to the next certification. Again, when we start with intermediate had English movies, extremely simple. Something that they can start using in their conversational English. Okay? So simple which are put in so that they do not get intimidated. Right? Dar na jaye. Okay, so we come to the higher intermediate. 10 movies over here. This is an intensive certification which is core English. English movies in English but simple sentences, simple dialogues which are easy. Okay, and this again exposes them to the different kinds of accents which is there, right? Everyone has a different accent.
Accent.
American English is different, British English is different, and you can see that there are movies which are very easy to understand and they are very, simple.
So kind of have neutral English, neutral accent.
Yes. Okay. So over the 5 certifications, we also focus on different things. You went through level which was Chakde. Chakde में आपने देखा कि before that there is some clip, right? And what was the animated clip talking about?
Teamwork.
Teamwork, absolutely. Right? We were talking about the third pillar as per NSQF, right? And that is soft skills. So, आपने जैसे बताया कि अगर soft skills का होगा, तो इसमें actually already inbuilt एक level पे there is something to take away, which will help them in their life skills, behavioral skills. Okay, so as you saw in Chakde, it was teamwork. And as you go through the different levels, each level has a soft skill to take away. Okay, different things. Could you name a few soft skills from the trainers who are soft skills trainer?
Teamwork.
Work, time management,
Decision making.
decision making,
Interpersonal
interpersonal communication. Yes, then
Group discussion.
body language,
Time
Then
management.
signs, symbols, gestures, postures,
Sub covered.
facial expression, attitude, empathy,
Sub
management,
covered.
lot of things. Yeah.
all of the well, ideally we have 15
Yes.
core skills, and all of these 15 core skills are covered. We call it core skills. Sorry. So I'm a core skill trainer myself. I'm sorry I didn't introduce myself. I'm Rachna. Okay. All right. So yeah. Now each of these levels, what do they contain? What do they consist of? What does it contain? Any idea? You've gone through the platform. तो क्या क्या देखा आपने? Obviously it is based on movies, तो movie clip तो रहेगी. And then apart from this, what else?
We had words, sentences,
Okay,
right,
words,
vocab,
sentences, alright.
translations,
Pointed out some.
Article, idioms,
हाँ.
phrases.
वो सब आते हैं. That is as points to remember or key learnings, right? But if you have to just talk about the structure of each level, what do you see? As I mentioned, you see a video, the movie clip, the movie that you see. apart from that, I just now mentioned even animated clip. You see an animated clip, okay? Then next, what else do you see? You all went through the different tabs.
Yes, movie clip with translation and
Subtitles.
grammatical error.
Very good. Movie clip, which is, you have an entire movie
Yes.
and then that movie clip को
Translated in
तोड़ा गया है. हर एक पीस को लेकर we take the हिंदी sentence इंग्लिश में कैसे translate किया जाता है. और movie clip you also have the animated clips, right? The animated video. We have a few animated characters who are brought in over here. Like you noticed, could you remember the name? Could you recall the name of the animated character?
Some people saw it actually. Not all.
Are animated characters.
Some people saw it, not everybody.
Yeah, I've seen that. Rosa and so
Rosa.
Very good, Roja. Okay, so we have our, learners will be intrigued, they'll be interested when there is some element of animation, right? Once they start speaking, once they start talking, things like Roja, you will see so many other characters who come in. Actually, she is Roja. Okay, so you have Roja, you have the other characters that will come in, and it's set up in such a way that they are friends who are talking on a day-to-day basis. They are having a daily conversation, like how friends generally talk. Okay, and if you progress through the different certifications, you will see that again there is an element of familiar to unfamiliar. Conversations हर लोग करते हैं, right? Every time we do that. Slowly from having day-to-day conversations, they start moving towards, right? Which is what we are looking over here. Jobs. How these learners will, how do you make them prepare for attending interviews is what is important. So there are the other skills that come into picture and they start thinking on those lines. Right? So animated video over here, the different characters actually play the major role. They are the ones who will teach how to speak, what are the different things that comes into speak, communicating in English. All the things that we need to keep in mind while we communicate in English. Alright? Then we've noticed that there are different exercises. Right?
Yeah.
हर एक sentence या हर एक video के बाद there is exercise. Okay? And as someone was mentioning, when you have fill in the blanks or when you have true or false, convert, right? What is the right meaning? When you have certain exercises like these or exercises like these, that is when it starts becoming more interesting. Also, you understand when the person is going wrong, right? When the learner is going wrong, so that you can facilitate them better. All right. So yeah, we have the exercises. Next. Yes. You will have not reached the end of the level, but at the end of every level, you will see that there is a word bank. Okay. With not more than 8 words. The word bank has 8 words, okay, with their Hindi, English meaning and the synonyms, okay. Apart from this, we also cover other things which I will talk to you about in the coming levels. That is the word, and these are very simple words, like you can see defeated, okay, words like conspire, maybe towards the later end, but then conspire is also one of the words. So these are words which are picked up from the sentences, the 8 sentences based on which the exercises are made, and the words that are highlighted over here, those are the words that are word bank. They are easy words that they can use in their day-to-day conversations. Alright?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now, we were talking about डुबो देने के, right? डुबो देना. तो कैसे करते हैं? How do we do the English में डुबो देना?
And then do activities we do in the class normally is like make a team out of them.
Okay.
Divide the class into groups.
Alright.
Each group I have 2 candidates who are good speakers